Hey, what's up guys? John Osumi here from Motionshooter Photography, coming at you with another video. Today we're doing something completely different than before. I'm doing a product shoot. I've got a couple pair of sunglasses. I'm going to take them out to the beach here and see if I can find some good backgrounds, possibly get some reflections in the lenses. But these are going to be for a client that needs to use them for their advertising. Today I don't have much of a plan. I'm just going to go out there and see what I can catch. So I'm looking down here. This looks like a good spot to maybe get some shots. I see a lot of props down there, pieces of driftwood, some rocks, sand, possibly some reflections with the sun, because I got the sunrise coming from this side. So we're gonna head down there and see what we can find. All right, well, I think I did get some good shots, but like I said, you never know what you get until you get back to the studio and in front of the computer and edit and see how they turn out. I am going to go back into the studio and try some of these shots with a white background, a little more controlled lighting, but I'm really excited to see what we got out here because I think we did get some good shots. Hey, the good thing is you don't have to wait for me to finish editing these photos. I'm going to show them to you right here, right now, see what I got. And thanks for watching. John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography.